I think that perhaps moving the word playful. I don't agree. I think Rashad is full of joy. And I think everyone's a little bit different, right?
So what number? Put the desk in the
Did you want a snack?
The other one should be in a few minutes.
Okay. Would you like to go downstairs in the discovery room and see if they will trade with you?
Trade what?
Using your words.
All right.
Do you want an apple? So you're choosing not to get a snack then? Okay.
So this
That would actually not be allowed. So
So
right now, if
you're
you're okay with not having a snack, that's fine, but I just want to make sure
Based
they
on their place
are getting
value,
what they need.
right, exactly how you have
Yes.
it.
3 and how many parts are shaded?
What was it?
1 was the answer.
I like that.
A.
Do you not like
A is
chocolate?
the answer. Good job. All right. The last question says, which figure shows only halves? When we cut something into halves, how many pieces are there?
Okay. All right, well, let's start talking about,
Go down and you can get started on this
Wednesday, which is actually very good because Rashad, you missed the beginning of our lesson.
You can come in and get started on your do now. Your homework is right there, so you can go over that. Okay? I'm not having the do now. Okay. So just do.
Why is it? We have two pieces.
I need to model.
Okay, so this week,
No.
Kobe, he on a white paper, we're going to be learning about what it is to be someone who has a brain that works.
Do you have something
I call that neurodiversity.
Okay, I would like
Neurodiversity.
well, she's using
Today, what we focused on is we focused on learning about people whose frameworks.
Alicia and Anthony, I got right to work.
Autism,
You know, this might be something from this. Probably just said it.
I'm talking about our main topics, where we're learning about
You get stuck. I want you to get
about
the right
neurodiversity.
I'll come work if you want.
The article that I selected is I'm really excited about.
But I'm not going to read to ELA for
And so the thing that's sticky about neurodiversity is that can you see someone's brain? Can you see into their brain?
Okay.
No. You can't. And what is tricky is that when someone has a physical disability, it's more, it's easier to see. Like, for example, Kobe, you might have noticed that that I walk a little bit differently than most people. Have you ever noticed that?
Setup?
You don't notice that, okay. Well, some people have noticed that, and that's because you have what's called, yes, I told you about that, yes. But so that's called a physical disability. And a physical disability is something that you see.
And then
But when someone has neurodivergent, when they are.
All right, I'm gonna give you about 1 more minute.
That the differences.
My colleagues, and then we're going to go over whether you're done or not. Jessica, can you make sure you put the date too? It's April 3rd.
So that the point, I'd rather not right now. So today we're going to be learning about what it means.
Pia's birthday month, it's Patrick's birthday month, it's Leisha's birthday month.
April? And then we're going to look at 3 different examples of how someone can be, of how someone can be neurologically diverse, okay? So, let's start with what neurodiversity is. Neurodiversity is the idea that
20 more seconds for
autism and ADHD and then normal natural variation among people. So it's recognized as and that's okay, right? Just like everyone looks different.
Alright, I want you to stop right there, whether you're done or not. I'm gonna start reading the answers across the row. If you've got it, put a check by it. If you've got it wrong, circle it and write the right answer right next to it.
I look different than my sister.
She said your book's out.
I look different than all the teachers in this room.
Oh,
Look
okay.
different. Like, we're all
Alright,
different.
starting with the first row across. 3, 12, 6, 3. Row 2, 12,
So just because people are the same race
10,
doesn't mean that they're all
1.
the same, right?
Next row. 9, 9, 1,
So I'm not
7.
talking about Kobe and
Next row. 2, 7, 4, 8. Next row. 9, 5, 8, 11. Next row. 4, 4, 5, 5. Next row, 10, 12, 1, 8. Next row, 6, 11, 6, 2. Next row, 11, 6, 5, 2. Next row, 8, 9, 11, 3.
If you do it down there, I don't know if you'll have enough room.
If you were not writing the answers across, that would have been a good practice for you. I saw some of us were not writing them. I know it's hard as I'm reading them quickly, but that will help your fluency. Question.
How many minutes on the test?
There was 25 minutes on there when you came in, so it would have just, you could have just hit start. Okay. Questions? No? All right. Today we are going to actually start order of operations. Some of us have to finish up a long division with remainders, but most of us have started that, so you can do that during independent
When you're
time.
ready.
Okay, so you are each going to get a sheet of notes that look like this. I'm going to hand it out to you, and we're going to take notes together. Okay, so the way to do order of operations is we have a little saying called, "Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally." I don't have an Aunt Sally. What happened? I don't have one. I have an Aunt Sandy. Oh, but guess what? Miss Johnson has an Aunt Sally, so we'll just use her.
Where's the answer?
Like an auntie.
Oh.
I should have put, "Please excuse my dear Auntie Sally." Okay, so these are going to be the steps that we're going to follow. I like that Kiai's putting her name on it because she's going to be able to keep that so that she can put it in her notebook later.
Well,
When you take your LEAP test, you're not going to have all the steps next to it at the bottom like I'm giving you in your packet today. So if you remember, "Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally," PEMDAS. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Those are the steps. It helps you know what you're going to do in order. Because if you don't follow the order, you're not going to get the right answer. Okay, so for the first letter, P, does anyone think they might know, just looking at the example, what you think the P stands for?
pickle, parentheses.
Parentheses. I like pickles, but pickles is not an operation in math. I'm thinking about operations, okay? Unless you ate too many pickles and then you had to have surgery or an operation. Okay, so we're gonna write parentheses. The way that I remember how to spell it is I write the word parent, P-A-R-E-N-T, and then parentheses, and the rest of it is title,
How adults
so parentheses. It's a long word. Jessica already got it.
Yes.
And so,
Next to parentheses, we're going to also write another word because sometimes besides parentheses, we see another thing, and it's called brackets. And brackets are like things like parentheses, but they're not curved. And I'm going to write both of them here.
Oh yeah.
So parentheses slash bracket.
need more support. Yeah, this says autistic pride, and so, but the thing is that it's not a big deal that there are some
Parentheses slash brackets, and then I'm going to show you what each of those look like.
because that's how everybody is, right?
Most times you're going to see parentheses, and they're like these. They're a little curved. They're like these in this problem. A bracket, it looks like a parenthesis, but it
Very good
looks,
at remembering them. They have a very good memory for names.
they're not as curved.
But one
They're
of
kind
the
of
things
like,
that I'm not so good at is I'm not that great at selling the car.
you saw
And
the
I'm also not that
brackets on the
great at
leap
sometimes telling
when you took
someone
it last week?
that they don't want to do it.
That's why we're.
That's what I would.
Well, you're gonna be masters at how to know. Now you know what it's called, right?
How
Okay, Jessica's already one step ahead of me because she's so brilliant. What does the E stand for? Exponent.
a lot of
She's using her brain. That's not
strange neck
exponent.
for pronouncing long words.
Remember the little numbers that are above, like 10 to the second power or 10 to the ninth power?
Out on subjects such as Greek
I'm going to
mythology.
put a little example. See, I'm writing examples next to them.
She drank liquids obsessively. Oh, that's what she gave me. Her extreme water.
She's being resourceful. I'm not going to knock her for that.
Years later, she found a word.
Okay, well then what's the M stand for, Alicia?
Instead of
Multiply.
she felt a rush of relief. It was the answer to every question I ever
They're
asked.
resourceful. Look in the
It was kind of
packet.
like a go-ahead to shed all of those things I could or couldn't do.
Because these are
and to raise
operations.
myself for who I am. So what did
Okay, so I'm going to put a little X, like multiplication sign next to multiply. Where the D is for divide. I'm going to put my division sign. Yeah, and a little plus sign. And then the S is for
Word, pronouncing long words. But she's not
Okay, so we're going to do a little example together.
right? She loved things
And then Aunt Sally is saying the order of operations.
and she also was obsessed
Helps us not
a lot of water. Okay?
Oh,
So she knew that her brain worked a little
I can't print it in color, so I decided I was out of color.
until a doctor finally said, oh, your brain works differently. So that would be strange.
So it says order of ops. So it's not flop. If you flop, that means you did something wrong. So if we follow the order of ops, we won't flop correctly.
A bowl of orange hair clubs that nearby means any of your guesses. Something and sounds.
I think it's just like the way the pictures are. So we're going to look at our example right here. Example at the bottom, okay? That way when you take your notes home, you have something to refer to in your class.
And a diagnosis
Yes.
that most people
The first few days of homework is reminders, because you've done that. And then the other 2 days are
and
order of
other brain
operations.
afflictions
Okay,
such as
so I have this problem parentheses 4 plus 4
not
times 5 plus 8. If I'm going to follow my order of operations, I'm going to start here with 8 parentheses. Do I have any parentheses?
Yes.
Thumbs up if you see parentheses.
You don't like answers.
Yeah, so what am I going to do
Why don't we
first?
just get you a new brain?
Anna ran to where Rankin
Do you think she like that?
What am I going to do first if I follow my first step? I'm not going to write any parentheses. I'm going to solve what's in the parentheses. What's in the parentheses? 4 plus 4. What's 4 plus 4? 8. 8. So I'm going to go ahead and write 8 underneath that. I'm going to underline it because I did. I underlined 4 plus 4 because we needed to do that first. That was my parentheses. Then I'm going to rewrite everything else and bring it down. It's going to get smaller and smaller. It's going to look like I kind of like an ice cream cup. Because everything's going to get smaller and smaller. Okay, I want you to stop for a minute, Alicia, because we didn't do that, okay? If you don't follow the steps, you're going to get the wrong answer. So the first thing we do is parentheses. Do I have any exponents? Do I have any exponents here? Do I have something that looks like this here?
No, ma'am.
No, so I can skip that. Do I have anything I need to multiply?
Yes.
Yes, I do. What do I need to multiply? 8. And 8 times 5. What's 8 times 5?
40.
Okay, I want to verify that they get the same answer as you. Yes.
40.
Okay, we're going to stop because we have some confusion. Tell me where you're confused.
That's a plus sign. Oh, I see some time right there.
Right, you have to bring everything down line by line. You skip a sign or a number, it's going to mess you up, throw you off. 8 times 5 is 40. I'm going to bring down my 8.
8 times 5 is 40.
Because you just told me 8 times 5 is 40. We did parentheses, we didn't have any exponents, so the next step was to multiply. Now, do I have to divide anything? No. Do I have anything to add? Yes. What am I adding? 40 plus 8. What's 40 plus 8?
Go get ready.
Oh no, it's 48.
48. So what is my answer to this order of operations problem? 48. We circle our answer.
Oh, and it's done.
We're done. Great. So we're going to use these steps today to solve our problems in our packet. Okay, so go ahead and open up to the first practice problem. So should I, go to the one that has a word problem on it. There is a word problem. I want you to see where this could be used in context of a word problem. Any takers on who wants to read?
Moisha.
Jessica. $4. Uh-huh. Okay, so then it tells us what operation we're doing. Well, given that we're doing order of operations, we're actually going to be doing more than one operation. Okay? So, what are some important things from the problem Jessica read us? What's one thing, Alicia? What's one thing that we know from this word problem?
Okay, but you can go now. Go back down by yourself.
Spanish.
See you tomorrow.
You underlined some stuff, so tell me something you underlined. Okay. Someone help her out.
Moisha bought 3 notebooks.
Okay, she bought 3 notebooks. How much for
Each.
$4? Okay, so Marlisha bought 3 notebooks for $4 each. And what else did she buy, Jessica? What was $2? A box of pencils. And then she has a box of pens for $4. So that's a lot of information that they give me there. Marlisha bought 3 notebooks for $4 each. A box of pencils for $2 and a box of pens for $4. How much money did she spend? Okay, so how can I figure that out? What operations do you think we're doing? There's more than one. What's one of the operations? When you know it, raise your hand.
So you start off by putting your first.
Are we splitting anything into groups?
Multiply, add, then subtract. No.
Are we doing all those operations?
No.
We're doing 2 operations. Which one of them?
Multiply and
We're multiplying and we're adding. Okay, so let's start here. Moesha bought 3 notebooks for $4 each. Am I adding that or multiplying them, those numbers? I'm multiplying those numbers. So she bought 3 notebooks for $4 each.
Is it 45?
Right?
Where do you see it?
3 notebooks for $4 each. Okay. She bought a box of pencils for $2. Are we adding that or multiplying that? She bought, we're adding that to the total of this. And then she bought a box of pens for $4. What are we doing with that? We seem confused. Someone said subtraction. We're adding, because we want to find out how much money she spent altogether. Okay? Can I solve this using my order of operations?
yes.
What's my first step in order of operations? Look at your steps on your sheet. Do I have any parentheses here?
No.
No? Next step. After parentheses, do I have any exponents?
No.
No? Next step.
Multiply.
Do I have anything to multiply?
Yes.
Yep. What am I multiplying?
3 times 4.
Multiplying you. What's 3 times 4?
Can you put both
9. 12.
12. So I'm going to go on and underline that and put my 12. And then I'm gonna bring everything else down. Okay? Alright, now, what's after multiply?
Divide.
Do you have anything to divide?
No.